Tekwagala ebintu ebirungi somma tetwajja nabyo nakisa okwagala ebintu ebirungi somma tetwajja nabyo okwagala ebintu kyabulabe ekyo gavumenti kyeyagala okukola. So this is how are you people? This is our gold setup today, and this is the signals I gave out freely yesterday. And imagine it went up to it had a take profit of 350 pips. Let's just put it maybe here. Let's say someone had targeted, let's say 300 pips, okay? And I gave it out yesterday. If you could check my Telegram channels, if you could check all the channels that I had, it moved well. Osman, can we enter? Of course, I gave out this setup in my VIP, and till now it's the setup that I'm still looking at, and I'm very sure it will. It's going to make up. It's to make up some sense. So I've actually based on very many reasons as to why I want to sell gold from that point, okay? And I know what many people see. I don't know why they see, but I think they would like to see that I'm not on the right move. I don't know. I don't know what you people could want to think from that setup that I also have. Actually, I don't know if I'm having people on my side That setup will sell from that zone. I think this phone is out of battery. So what we could say is that gold is at our entry level, yes. So let's keep the SLs tight. This is going to be actually a good signal if at all. This is a 15-minute time frame. This is a retest, okay? I gave out all of this sell. It made out. Let's see. It brought up some pips here. It brought up some 110 pips. So I would consider this as a retest. I'm seeing people saying, "Hello, Stuart, how are you?" Now, people with small accounts also, you could enter from where the market is right now. If you could remember yesterday's setup was crazy. I gave out this setup yesterday, but SL was, of course, SL was the previous high that they had put, but it was also kinda hard. So even this one, it had already given me confirmations, and I hope this kind of closes below the entry level. Because if it closes below the entry level, we are ready to go. So those people with accounts that have not yet entered, you could enter from there too. Yeah. We are going to have this drop, guys. Just relax. We shall have this draw with us, I'm sure. But the main confirmation, or what we shall have to confirm first, if this candle closes below this entry point, there we shall have the biggest guarantee there. Zue Zuena. We like trading on YouTube. I know you. So we're having that set up on our YouTube channel, and I feel like just closed above the entry, meaning a good thing we are on together here. I'll see what to do. Because for me, normally, I trade in a 15-minute time frame, and those time frames that I actually trade in, I be having in my entries, okay, and those entries that I be kyana kibuuza mbu mbuuza nkaabira ki like oyina ensonga zo. Okay. So we're still holding this. I know those people who have entered from the upward side. Yeah, you're in profits. You're not in profits, but you're in blues. Okay. Kimani, right now you people are in blues, but we want to see if we shall get these 300 pips that I'm targeting. Okay. This is the setup that I gave out yesterday. It was a free setup, and I'm sure many people made money from this, because 0.55 actually brought in like $2,000. And there is something I want to tell you now, because I'm sure you're in blues, but for me, I trade opportunities. So first close those entries that we are in. Close them, because now I'm confirming buys here. Yes, that I don't want to allow. I don't want to allow. Let me first check on my phones here. You're in blues, I know. So I'd like us to change, I think, this thing here. I think it's the first time I'm changing a setup. Hope we are on together. Change this setup to a buy setup, because now it's confirming buys. You're in blues, I know you're not in losses. It's my first time to change a setup, but it is right now. Sorry for the inconveniences. The good thing, it has come back to retest. and I know you're in blues. No losses made so far, and some people have made some quick scalpers have made in some money, but I want us to change from where the market is right now. Please buy. I have reasons. That's why I'm saying we buy, and I think I'll give you my reasons. Hmm? Let me first give it to my VIP channel, so I'm coming back here. Bro, how long did it take you to buy your GLE? GLEs are cheap. They're for 100 USD. Having 100 USD, you could go for a GLE. We are live on YouTube, and I'm actually changing this setup here. It was a sale, and of course it came back, retested my zone, but I feel like we're going to buy this thing here. Adding a sale here, some people made in some little profits, but I feel like I'm not seeing any buys here, any sales, any sales. So I don't know if someone is having any like any reason or someone is having any setup. Could you give us some reasons as to, because me have changed a bit. I've changed. Let me tell them close sales now. Yeah. Yeah. Still making sense on my side. It's still making sense on my side. Yeah. Close the sales. Still making side. It's still sorry. It's still making sense. Do you still have physical classes? Yes, I do. Still making sense. We buy gold from this point here. Now close the sales. I know we're in profits of sales. I know we were in profits, but close the sales. Let's target this previous Asian high, because I know that liquidity, if they are to buy, of course that liquidity will be taken out. So let's target it as our take profit, but of course it is in like 400 pips. That's good money. That's good money. It's my first time today to change a bias, but I told you my trade opportunities. Okay, if I feel like now I've been selling, yes, I was going to make profits, but this market's going to buy, I change. I don't trade emotions, I trade opportunities. So now the opportunity that I'm seeing here is a buy, and a good one. Good one should now add in entries now, because this is one of the is maintenance of the GLE expensive. No, it's cheap. Even fuel is cheap. Joker things are expensive, but when you buy, you can maintain. When you buy, you can maintain. I'm having some comments here on YouTube. I'm having, should we enter buys now? Yeah, enter, bro. We are here, so okay, let's go. Yeah, sales, of course, sales. We had made in some profits, but I didn't want to give sales our time. I immediately changed to buys. So let's see if I've made a mistake or I'm on the right track. Because at first I'd confirmed my sales, I had in some reasons as to why. Depending on how yesterday's market was reacting, depending on what I was seeing on the charts today, and I was actually uh, looking at a lot of things here. before changing my bias. And I set 500 like 4 5 14. I'm seeing some liquidity down there that was not taken out. Now there you can put in the last buys. We can put in the last buys where the market is right now.
Lifting suspended and live visibility restricted.
What's going on?
They also use bots now.
My bot servers are down, so I go for I trade live. I trade live. Let's buy. You guys should have strong hearts.
When I cancel TikTok, then I put it back. Oh my life.
What's going on? Now, some people are there saying, you had our sales, we've been now in profits. Now the guy changed, we are now in losses. Okay. Now for me, there is something that I do when I'm trading. There's something that I do when I'm trading. Let's say now gold. Now, if let's say I want to buy, okay, and maximally I want to use, let's say, like lot one on gold. I don't enter lot one at once. Okay. Now, for example, when market is here, let's say here, I could put in let's say 0.2. So I could put in, whenever it goes in loss, I add in more 0.02, 0.2 till I make the lot one that I want to make. Now, the way I'm seeing this market here, the market is acting funny. The candles that are it's giving out are not encouraging, okay? As if we are consolidating. Because now I'm having an entry here. That entry at first it gave out some confirmations of sales. It again gave out confirmations of buys. Right now it's again closing the way it wants. So it's a non-decided, like we are like in a consolidating move. So the market is there. Now, if you could ask me the percentages of now selling or buying, where they were when I gave out that buy, the percentages of buying were at let's say 70, sales were 30, but right now the sales, I don't know. What do you guys have? What do you guys have in your minds? Let me have some suggestions here. Some people are here on TikTok, and some are here on YouTube. We're on YouTube live trading. What do you guys have in your minds? Bro, the next car I wish you to buy is a Lamborghini. Eh, wala batwala Rolls Royce. Kati Lamborghini. What do you guys have in your mind? People still playlists. Natwala playlists here. Do I have anyone in the same trade with me, or I'm alone with my people here? Could we have in some could we have in people to tell us at least what they have in mind? We could maybe go with it. It's going to buy patience. My songs. Zikime songs zo zitwale. We are here, but the market is doing us shaggy. Hey, those are the markets. Those are the markets, but it's going to buy, but probably at 20, at 25, 25. Okay, you could be right. But then that means you could be now selling, waiting for the buy, or you're waiting patiently to see where it will go. But I had my setup there, which I changed to a buy. And if I change it to a sell right now, I will look like a fool. Have you ever been in that situation? Seriously, no sound. What of right now? Could you hear my sound? Let me first try DXY. Let me check on DXY. What's the dollar index doing? Uh, hmm, I don't want you people to say that we are buying, bro, because I'm here buying with you. Hmm, you be there. I will change myself. Hmm. Okay. Someone said we check on the dollar index. Okay. What I'm seeing with that dollar index, it actually had in some break of structures. I can see where they had created this midnight open levels, market bought from here, my entry from here. If I was going to buy, and where it is right now, it has not yet confirmed whether it will actually continue with buys, because I'm having in some resistance level there, and it's there. It might drop from there. Okay, it has not yet touched the entries, so it's there. Let's first go back on our gold here. We see. Ah. So guys, if I change my decisions, you'll see me as a fool. Yeah, these markets will humble you. Let's see if we can get any other pair here. Let me check. Gross oil has already left us. KJPY has already left us. Those players can give in money, but there is a Euro JPY. Do we have people that trade that pair? That pair is going to buy from where it is right now. It has actually already started its journey of buying. Let me give it out. Maybe some people trade those pairs, but me personally, I don't go for those pairs. Never. I already made analysis here. Let me show you. Euro JPY. That goal is there. Yeah, that's what I can tell you. Yeah, this is Euro JPY. Those people who actually trade it, you could run in for these buys. There's confirmed buys. Or you could exit trades on gold and wait for a clear setup. Yeah, nice advice. Spare. I don't want to tell you that gold is going to sell, but first cut loss from where it is. If you feel like if you feel like your money is small and you need to preserve it. I had sales, but there is that 15-minute candle that actually closed bullish, and it changed my way of thinking. So I cancelled my setup. So I'm also there. I know. Let's check for other pairs. Yeah. JPY will buy, but I don't trade that pair. Me myself. Mm. God. Okay. We're having USD JPY here. Let's leave it in peace. It's also not confirming anything yet. The JPY has already left you. Hey, you see what we talked of gold? I feel disappointed with gold because at least our setup would make sense. Do you have people who trade a BTC USD? I'm seeing a possible buy. When it reaches some level here, let me show you the level. Anyone who trades BTC JPY? I'm having a zone here that can push it up to some good levels there. See. So this is the BTC that I'm having for you. If you guys trade BTC. I found comments here on YouTube that have made me laugh. Eh, I don't know, some people are talking things there. Bali mukwesoza, ourselves admit us, man. Hey, now look at this fool. How can you change? Now see. How many people should you guys be? I'm so sorry. I had to change because I was seeing possible changes there.
No, and you're right to quarrel. You could be now in 170 or 200 pips of of profits, and it will drop up to 4514 if it's to drop. So meaning it could drop some good pips before it buys again, because there is some liquid down there that I was targeting from morning, and I'm sure they will take it out. For BTC, and another thing that I want you guys to observe is that in most cases, I be having those zones, those reaction zones. So if you could see the BTC where it is right now, this has been a very good reaction zone, because when you look at it here, I told you I made this setup from my, because the setups that I make from my phone, they're the same that go to this laptop here that we're using on YouTube. And I told you that okay, market is dropping and I'm seeing it's going to buy from somewhere. And when it reached that level, it's just not lighting here, but you could see that level where it reached. Let me see. Yeah, this level. You've been observant. When it reached that level, it decided to. My level was on this color line here, but there are zones here, because most cases these pairs tend not even to come back the entry levels very well. But now you could see how BTC is reacting, and I'm sure people who are in BTC are seeing blues here. And I don't know what lot sizes are good for BTC, but it's going to be good. For gold, just excuse it. Our first sale had in some sense, and we actually we didn't pay attention. Okay, I got reasons to change, and I told it's my first time to change a setup. But anyway. When you see me yawning, guys, in these morning times, it's hard for me to make lives. I just come here and make the lives, but I be wanting to sleep. I'm now looking for any other opportunity. So far, I've got a good opportunity of BTC USD. I want to check if we could get any other good opportunity. I saw some people commenting some pair. It's nice 100 if I was there. Excuse me. If I was there, I was going to make money. Okay, I saw someone commenting. Is it German 30, German what, G or something? But you guys, I wonder how you guys get energy to trade those pairs. I wonder. Now, for me, there are pairs that you can't find me trading. Now, Greece 30. Is it Greece 30? Let me check what someone commented. I might be misspelling it because GER. Okay. I was starting to wonder how someone could trade a pair which is Greece, third Greece. Okay. And it had a nice move. Oh, let me actually show you. It had some nice move. Meaning you people, you actually make money from these pairs. Cause bro, let me show you where the entry was. The entry was here at this consecutive coach mid level here. Let me check. Yeah, this one here. This is where we are the buys. If I was there, I was going to get the buys. Yeah, because it goes in line with my analysis. I'm having in. You know why I first make my analysis from the phone? Because there are some things I don't want to give out here. But that person who asked for that pair, it had already moved. Yeah, it has moved already, and it's heading to. If you're in buys, have you been? If you're in buys, hold, because it will go up to 4247. Okay, 24. It will go up to 24800. So from 24800, you can now you could now go through your analysis and you see whether you're going to buy or sell, because from that's the take profit, and we might get a change from there. Mhm. So gold is coming back to a level here, but I think I'll just trade it silently. I won't give it out. Mm, I'll keep quiet. It's now coming back to some level here. Uh, of course, it has only hit a stop loss, but we won't consider it as something serious. We won't consider it as something productive. We won't consider it as something productive. So those people asking for the YouTube link, the link is in the bio. You could check for that YouTube link, so that you could not miss the next episode with us. Now for USDJPY, it has done what I was expecting. Are you guys, what do you guys have on USDJPY? You could have remained in buys. Me, I'm still in. But let me first end this live because it's restricted. I don't know why. No, I was sending that the one of TikTok for YouTube. Be a step. We are okay. But no bad trades. He sent an image of gold with a broken heart. That's why if you want peace with gold, bro, let the left size be small and you have. Mhm. We are live on our YouTube channel. You could actually subscribe to the channel if you do want the live trading. Me have I do, and love me like I do. Touch me like I do, touch me like I do.
Just mine on TikTok on YouTube. I'm having issues with my TikTok. Touch me like I do, like I do. God shines bright. Yeah. So as we're still on gold here, let's first see what's happening on BTC USD. Dynamic. I think this is it here? Wow! BTC has made it. Look. And that's how we get sniper entries.
So we shall come back in the New York session. Let me first share this session.